Hello, today we are solving October 2023 Unit 2, third question part B. In the previous question, we had prepared the revenue budget. Okay, the revenue budget is going to give you the total of expected sales revenue which is going to be earned by the business based on some projections. Now we have to prepare how much of it needs to be produced so that we can have sufficient sales, that is expected, that is budgeting. So for the production budget, okay, you will have to use this formula wherein we are going to produce certain amount for the month, in which includes opening and closing. Okay, opening minus closing, so that is going to be the amount you are going to produce. So total production will be minus of opening inventory, okay, which was already there, you need not produce, plus the production required for the month, plus any closing inventory that needs to be there. Okay, so that is how you will calculate the total production. He says that at the end of each month, Magic Carpet PLC holds 60% of the following month's budgeted sales in the inventory. This is their rule and they have formed, and then you are asked to prepare the production budget. So let's start preparing. Okay, here they have already given the things. So we know for the production sales for the month, okay, production sales for the month is going to be the how much, okay, how much of sales the product is required, that much they need to produce. So let's fill it up here, so that is easier. So 2700 for Jan. Then for Feb you are going to required is 2100, and 2200 is going to be sold, so you will have to produce 2200. Okay, in the April it is 2400. So let's write these values. So how much is needs to be sold, that much we need to produce. But in the business there is always an opening inventory and closing inventory, so we have to take into consideration that also. So generally what they are doing is 60% of the following month's budgeted sales in inventory is always held. Okay, so now let's calculate 60% of, okay, of all the months. So 60% of this inventory is going to be held. So 60% of 2700 is going to be 1620. Okay, then 60% of 2100, so that is going to be equal to, so that is going to be equal to 1260. Okay, then 60% of 2200, that is going to be equal to 2200, that is equal to 1320. Then you have, okay, then you have 60% of 2400, so that's going to be equal to 1440. Okay, this is the amount they are going to hold it. So for every month, okay, we have to calculate this first. So now let's fill it up. So less the opening inventory, so they would have held minus 1620. Okay, then minus 1260, and then you have 1320, and then you have 1440. Okay, now the opening inventory, okay, is going to be the closing inventory of the previous month, so I'm just going to put it here. Okay, the closing inventory of the previous month is going to be the opening inventory of the next month. So for the April alone, it will be 60% of, okay, following month 60 percentage of 1800, that is going to be equal to 1080. So but all these are positive. Closing inventory is positive, so let's put the positive values. Okay, so let's put them as positive values. Now let's calculate, okay, the total production for the month. So it is less the opening inventory plus the production minus the closing inventory. So that is the amount that needs to be produced based on the budgeting formula they have created. So it is 2340. Okay, that's the strategy they have created. So as per their strategy, these will be the amount. So then you have 2320 minus 1320 plus 220, then 1440. So that's going to be equal to 2320. And then for the April, minus 1440 plus 2400 plus 1080, that is equal to 2040.